we start wondering if the universe doesn't want us to stay here permanently. Hey, we are still, well, in Sweden obviously, but also at the same campsite in the small town or village of Öjebyn, located north of Piteå, in the very north of Sweden, next to the Baltic Sea. And we've been here now for more than 2 weeks, not in the camping, but altogether more than 2 weeks, because our camper van broke on the Friday around noon, and today is Sunday. If you remember on last video update, we ordered the spare parts that we couldn't find in Sweden. We ordered them from Germany. They were not very expensive, but we paid for an express delivery. Remember that word, express delivery. And we had some trouble like tracking the package where it was, so we called upon our friend Uli. He's a German musician, very talented musician. We did some wildlife songs with him. I will link some of those live performances below. But we call him because he's way better at German than we are, for him to hand for us for like a contact or something on UPS official website, and he immediately spotted that our parcel hadn't been sent by express delivery but by standard delivery. So then we went on a small investigation, trying to understand what happened, and somewhere between the spare parts shop and UPS there was some middleman that made probably a mistake. And well, we still don't understand why they choose to send it with UPS, because Dutch Post, like standard post, would have been great. It's a small parcel around like 800 grams. But anyway, it's been sent by standard UPS, so it's 3 to 5 working days. If you calculate like us, we are already over those 5 working days, because not only is it standard, but it's also delayed. The person from the spare parts shop deeply apologized. That it never ever happened before.
Again, this never happened before. We have to see how improving our procedure in such cases.
But anyway, here we are. The standard delivery itself is delayed. We now have a delivery date for tomorrow, Monday. I don't know when I will be editing this video, but there's a small line saying that it might be updated. So we don't know. We really hope for tomorrow, if not Tuesday, because obviously the beautiful campsite we are staying in isn't for free. When we travel, especially to Sweden, we go once in a while to campsites. Well, first because it's the only place you can find a laundry room, but also like to enjoy like the cozy kitchen corners and sometimes the saunas. But we never would spend that much time, that many nights in a row in a place that we need to pay for, because we still travel on a budget. That's how we travel so much. So that's one thing. But that being said, we've been doing the best we could with this sort of like extra free time we had. We're working on some new music that we hope we can publish in the next couple of days. Once this video is over, I will publish some like sequences of nice, beautiful things we've been doing, because in no way has it been a horrible experience. Being in Sweden is always nice and pleasant. There are a lot of places in nature that are accessible, and also, of course, when we came so much up north, one of the goals was to see some of the northern lights, and the last time we saw them was from the parking lot on the repair station, but it was very close to the city and in the industrial area, so there was a lot of light pollution. Couldn't do what I had planned to do in terms of like pictures and video editing. Lastly, thank you so much for all your comments and support on this crazy adventure we have put ourselves. Thank you for your kindness and for your trust that we can depart. Thank you Ute, thank you Uli, and all the people that commented. If you don't dare to comment, leave us a small like, that way we know you passed by. Take care, kenau kentatru!
Gasten, vil du bli min venn? Slik en trauger gasten, vil du